Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing size and color to signal priority. Pick a large note for main topics and smaller ones for subpoints. Once done, arm yourself with a fine-tip pen and about 1/2 stack of sticky notes on a flat surface. Place the first note as your header, write a short, clear title, and stick it at eye level. Make sure to leave space below for related notes, because this initial placement defines your visual structure and makes subsequent additions faster and neater. You now expand each header into bite-sized notes, writing one idea per sticky so you can move items freely. Next, arrange related notes vertically under their header and use arrows or numbers to show sequence, color code to separate themes or urgency. Once arranged, add dates or progress percentages to each note so you track timing and status. Make sure to leave room to rearrange. The point is flexibility, so you can test flow, merge ideas, or split complex tasks as you work. You finish by consolidating. Move completed ideas into a permanent log or archive, and remove finished sticky notes to keep focus. Then, take a photo daily for a quick record and review positions weekly to reflect changes and priorities. If notes start losing stick, first clean the surface with rubbing alcohol and reapply. If they still fall, use fresh adhesive or a small piece of tape. This final maintenance keeps your system reliable and ensures your visual notes stay actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.